Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to learn about an incredible NFT collection that is going to be in the upcoming Metaverse. So if you're interested to learn exactly how to purchase one of those NFTs and in a pre-sale price, so make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is IggyBoy? So if you're interested to join the most amazing community of the 1ATH Studio NFT collectibles with benefits and advantages of the upcoming Metaverse, make sure that you sign up to their whitelist right now because the places are limited. Their pre-sale price is going to be 0.055 Ethereum, and it's something that most people can handle with this kind of price. So if you find this platform to invest and you find it as a project that can grow for the long term, and in this video you will learn exactly if it is or it isn't for you, you're more than welcome to sign up, as I said, to the whitelist right now. If you're interested to follow them on their social media, you have in their website IggyBoy.1eth.studio, and you will get to their social media and you can get to their website by clicking the link down below. The reason that I'm talking about the pre-sale price that is actually 0.088 Ethereum, make sure that if you're interested, try to buy it in the cheapest price in order that you will be able to make profit from it as fast as possible. Even though you are not interested and you're thinking on the project for the long term and you're not interested just to sell it, it's great to buy in a cheaper price if you can, because as you will see that this project has a lot to grow and a lot of potential for the long term. As you will see on their roadmap, they're actually going pretty well on their plan. We understand that this project is here to stay. The pre-sale is going to be on the 20th of February at 2 p.m. Eastern time, so make sure that you put an alarm clock if you're interested to be in their minting date, and let's get started. First of all, there are truly unique 3D NFT collectibles, and 1ATH Studio produces a collection of 10,000 3D IggyBoy NFTs, and each NFT is a unique piece of digital art that is manually created by 1ATH Studio talented 3D designers. And 1ATH Studio will also issue 376 distant animated NFTs that will be given away in promos to influencers and to promoters. Now, 1ATH Studio team doesn't use auto-generated NFT tools, which actually increases the value of the uniquely of handcrafted IggyBoy collectibles. Now, think about it this way. When you want to invest in something, and especially in NFTs, you want to see that first of all, it's high quality and that the website looks good, that it's unique as much as possible, because it's not just the idea of an NFT that it looks beautiful, okay? Because some people are actually purchasing them because they're beautiful, but some also buy it because of their uniqueness. Of course, that each NFT should be unique and all of that on the blockchain, but you want that also their appearance will be as beautiful and actually unique from others, and especially when you will be on the Metaverse. So it's like, we'll call it a new face, because the kind of NFTs that you will hold are predicted to be a part of how your status is in the Metaverse and how you look there. Actually being able to enjoy to get in pre-sale NFTs and this kind of a difference from the public sale, have a better opportunity to get the NFT, and also it will actually increase your chances to be able to buy more NFTs as you want from this project or from others as well, because there is smaller reduction from your budget. 1ATH Studio will prepare a collection in the form of symbols that between the IggyBoy and IggyLady, and the community would admire the submersive NFTs collection in terms of its theme and art. Now, IggyBoy and IggyLady NFT holders will be able to form a couple of kind of breed symbols NFTs for free. Yes, I said it, for free. Okay, the idea of the airdrop is that because you're part of this community and you're an NFT holder, you will have the opportunity to get NFTs for free that predicted to have value. So it's incredible. You're going to get gifts. Now, each symbiosis NFT will have the same advantages and benefits in the upcoming corporations and the Metaverse. So if you're interested, as I said, make sure to click the link down below, IggyBoy.1ATH.studio, and you'll be able to get to their website and to sign up to their incredible whitelist that, as I said, is going to be on the 20th of February. But if you're interested to sign up to their whitelist, don't wait too much because the spaces are limited. So if you're interested, make sure to do that as early as possible. Now, by the way, they will have also a utility NFT. So IggyBoy NFT collectibles, as a part of the upcoming Metaverse, will perform as the main characters, and the holders of the IggyBoy NFTs will enjoy the simplified whitelisting and get privileged while establishing the decentralized community of the upcoming upcoming Metaverse. And ruling the Metaverse is not an easy task. The existing community members might take the leading positions in terms of land, joint ventures, and further activity. As I said, if you're interested, make sure to go by clicking the link down below to the website and get started. Now, if you want to see their Twitter, just click in here on the top of the website and you will see that they have pretty big community of over 5,000 followers. And as you can see that also they have 1,000 retweets. So you understand that it's a very engaging community. One of the main factors when you want to look in a project and to understand if it's smart for you to invest or at least to look at or not. Now, also they have a Discord, currently has more than 40,000 members. As you can see, 47,000 members, and there are over 1,000 that are online currently. So you understand that it's a community that has an engageable community, which is important because one of the factors in an NFT collection is not just that it will be a lot of investors, but it will have a community. So you understand that it's not something that is here for a week or two, but it's something that is looking to stay for the long term. And developing community is one of the factors that's showing you that it's a project that it is looking towards that. The roadmap of this project is pretty interesting, and the beautiful things about it is that they actually did what they said they're going to do. So for example, the team of the talented designers and marketing specialists with the executive contacts among major internet technology businesses and was inspired by the potential of the NFTs metaverse and decided to create the concept of encompassed everything and NFT, metaverse, blockchain, and gaming. And actually, as you can see, they've done that. They also finalized contract agreements with technology providers. Also, you saw their Discord and Twitter, and also they have Instagram, Reddit, and also they have TikTok and YouTube. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to go to their social media and to learn about them more. Currently, we're in the first quarter of 2022. There completes the first IggyBoy and LadyBoy NFT minting, boosting its social presence, and it's going to be, as I said, the minting on the 20th of February. So if you're interested to sign up to their mint and actually take part of this project, make sure to get by clicking the link down below. As I said, you see that they're already in a good place in the idea that they're increasing the number of fans, and you saw that they have a very engageable Twitter and their Discord. If you will sign up, you will be able to see that they have a lot of promotional and marketing content in there, and they're actually keeping the awareness and keeping the community very engageable, which is very important because, as I said, when you're developing a project of NFTs, you want to keep in mind that your community is people, and especially in something that is still growing and taking body is actually the metaverse. So starting at this point when the metaverse is so early and to think already about developing a community there, it's something that's very important because you understand that they're looking to the future and not just using the social media, which is great to use social media, but they're also looking to the future and how to evolve with the future. Now, IggyBoy NFTs is a set of unique handmade 3D high quality characters. You will see that also they will have rarity explanations. The idea in most NFTs in the world is that they have different rarities, and in front of the rarities you can put on a scale how much they're worth. Okay, if you're interested to learn more about rarity, you're more than welcome to read about it. And as you can see, the IggyBoy NFTs, they have 5,000. The IggyBoy mutants have 5,000. The IggyBoy bastards in the game jackpots actually 188 alone currently, and IggyBoy mutant bastard that are promo NFTs are 188 at all, as you can see in here. And you can see that the total is 10,376. And actually you can see that they also have partners with incredible companies like CoinMarketCap, Rarity.Tools, Daily Hardlad, and Yahoo Money. Like, you understand that they're talking about a lot of projects and a lot of companies that are very serious. Yahoo Finance, Crypto.com. So if you're interested to read about them, you're more than welcome to go to the different websites. Their team, as you can see in here, if you're interested, you can go to their LinkedIn and you will be able to get easily and to read about each one of their members if you're interested. And by the way, it's a doxed project, just for you to know. Now, by the way, I forgot to tell you that there are also a doxed project. So if you're interested to learn more about what is doxed project, you're more than welcome to read. But as you can see in here, one of the most important things in this incredible project is that also the high quality of each part in this website. okay? Like also from the pictures and also from the designs in here. And also you can see, as I said, the metaverse is coming soon in here, but you can see the different creations in here. You understand that you're looking on high quality designs. As you can see, there is a lot of details and it's very clear. And also they have like a cool video in here. If you're interested to look about this product and to understand if you want to invest or not, make sure that you go to their website to understand exactly what's going on in there, okay? And if you have more questions, you're more than welcome to click in here on the Let's Talk on the website. You're more than welcome to send them a message or something. Most of the time in most NFT projects, you get great replies on their social media. You can get to their Twitter, you can get to their YouTube, you can get to their Facebook, you can get to their Reddit. And also if you want to learn even more, you can click in here, okay, on press, and then you will be able to go to their partners, and then you will be able to read more in details about how others actually talk about them, which is great, okay, because it's awesome that they're telling about themselves and all of that. But when you see an article that actually details about each part of the concept from their point of view of, I'm talking about big and serious companies like crypto.com and stuff like that, so you actually understand what is it exactly, okay, and you have more in details explanation about what this project looks in the eyes of professionals like crypto.com and Yahoo Finance and Yahoo Money and all the other companies that you see in here. Now, before we're going to end this video, I just wanted to show you an example of an incredible opportunity that their community had on the 24th of January. That, as you can see in here, 5,000 USDT to 5 lucky winners, 1,000 each. And there's actually 50 that are absolutely random from their whitelist spots. You don't need to spend any money, nothing, just to quote the retweet, to follow them, and to type 3 hashtags, which is, as you can see in here. Also, they're announcing they're giving out 100 spots more for the community, and they're talking all about how they can actually make the community happier and more successful, which is great. If you're interested, you're more than welcome to sign up to their Discord by just going to the website, go here to the top and click in here. This will be it. So for summary, if you're interested to invest in an incredible NFT collectibles project with benefits and advantages of the upcoming metaverse, make sure to go to IggyBoy by clicking the link down below, and you will be able to sign up to their whitelist that is going to be on the 20th of February at 2 p.m. Eastern time. If you're interested to invest in this product, you will purchase in their pre-sale price of 0.055 Ethereum instead of the public sale that might be also a possibility, but the best way possible, as you all know, is to buy in the lowest price as possible. But the public sale is also available and comfortable to most people, which is going to be 0.088 Ethereum. So if you're interested to get started, make sure to sign up to the whitelist as fast as possible, because the places in their whitelist are limited, and the people that are going to be on their whitelist are going to enjoy a lot of airdrops and benefits, as you already seen also in the future. And also when you hold their NFTs, you will enjoy Symbiosis NFTs for free. So make sure to go to the website by clicking the link down below and read about this project and to understand if this is a product for you, because it looks very interesting and you can learn on that website a lot about it and to understand if it's the right one for you. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.